Racing just started. We have Cats Diamond. Break quickly at the start. Dancing Brags. Lady wants to know Absolute. Coterminus is running by the rail. While Lola Carey is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Cats Diamond. Coterminus is running by the rail. Absolute. Dancing Brags. Lady wants to know is down in fifth. While Lola Carey is still racing in less, and as they swing down the back, we have Cats Diamond by about half length. Coterminus is running by the rail second. Absolute is racing in third. Then comes Lady Wants to Know. Down on the inside is Dancing Rugs, while Lola Carey is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Cats Diamond maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Coterminus in second. Dancing Rugs, and on the outside, Lady Wants to Know. Absolute comes next, while Lola Carey is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Cats Diamond, this time by about 4 lengths. Coterminus, Dancing Rugs as they swing for home. We have Cats Diamond now racing away by about 6 lengths, followed by Dancing Rugs. Coterminus, last 75 meters, the birthday boy A.R. Villegas on Cats Diamond. Second, Dancing Ranks, then comes Coterminus. Lady Wants to Know Absolute, and Lola Carey.
3516.
All right, Cats